All right, guys, so this is my final analysis of the Venom Steel gloves. They're just better than average, guys. You know what's the best deal? If you guys actually get these regular latex or vinyl gloves, and then you put one of these other gloves from the dollar store over them, it'll probably be a lot better than this. Is this worth like 12, like six pairs for $8? I'd say no. To be honest with you, I'd get like 50 pairs of these vinyls or latex gloves, and I'd say maybe like a couple pairs of these, and they'll last me a lot longer than this. It says rip resistant, so I got one pair that ripped. This pair ripped. Maybe because I got large hands or whatever. It says one size fits most. It doesn't say one size fits all. But to be honest with you, they're okay. I wouldn't spend like, me personally, I got other options is what I'm trying to say. There's other options besides this. I mean, they're okay gloves, but what are your feelings about it? Forget my feelings. What are your feelings about it? I'm sure you guys had these gloves before, are looking to get these gloves. Let me know, like, let me know what the deal is as far as these gloves are concerned, with your circumstances. All right. Anyway, just want to put that out there. So if you guys have any comments or anything like that, leave a comment in the comment section. All right, guys, take care.